Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be dyeing my hair blue and purple. Okay, so I got some hair paint wax and it says it's 120 grams. I got the color purple and I got the color blue. I don't know if I want to do the tips of my hair blue with purple highlights or purple with blue highlights. But this is the hair paint wax. This the blue one. This the purple one. So yeah, this what this looks like. It's like a thick cream. Like this is the purple. Like it's a little thick and creamy. And it say apply this on damp hair, but I blow dried my hair, and yeah, I didn't know if I wanted to roll the ends with perm rods or whatever, but this is what my hair looking like. It's blow dried, so it's stretched. Let me test out a strand. Ooh, y'all see the hang time? So yeah, this is just me testing out the blue hair paint wax on this strand of hair. Okay, this is the purple hair paint wax color, and I'm liking this color, so I'm going to continue to use this all throughout my head. So, we just finna get it on. Y'all, first things first, I'ma speed this clip up because I had no real game plan on how I was gonna put this hair paint wax on. Like, I was just like struggling because I just knew it was, I was just gonna slap this hair paint wax on and it was gonna be fine. But I ain't even liking the way it's looking right now. But it's gonna eventually come together. But I was on the struggle bus. Like, I should have started from the back of my head. But yeah, I don't know what made me start from the front. But I should have worked from the back and made my way into sections, but I eventually get the hang of it. So I'm just gonna skip to the part to where I talk about how this hair paint wax feel on my hair. So this wax is crunchy, so I'm gonna use this Pink Kids leave-in. I'm gonna put some of that on there to bring out the curl definition, and hopefully it'll like loosen up. Y'all see, because once I put it on there, like it instantly, let's see, this is some of the leave-in. Cause this is crunchy. This stuff is crunchy. So hopefully they leave-in to soften it up and bring out some more curls. Y'all see that? Y'all see what that leave-in just did? So yeah, I'm just gonna finish out the process. So I'm gonna take little sections, put this purple hair paint wax on it, and then I'm gonna go over with this Pink Kids leave-in conditioner to soften up the wax and to get me a better curl definition. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is what my hair is looking like after I applied all the wax to my head. So it definitely did weigh down my hair, which is good, so I won't have that much shrinkage. And the leave-in conditioner did soften up the hair wax. What's up, you guys? So I'm back. This is the finished product. I didn't put the purple all throughout my head, but
It's on majority of my ends. I left my roots dark because I wanted to make it look believable, and then I didn't want to go that extreme because purple is already extreme color to dye your hair. But yeah, so I went to church today with this purple hair. This is what it looks like up close. It's kind of looking blue, but you see my curtains back there is blue, and so this is purple. But this is what it's looking like. It's very bright, vibrant. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so on to the pricing. This in my head is the purple hair paint wax. It was $6.99, and then I had got the blue hair paint wax. It was $6.99 also. They had some different pricing on there for like different colors, because I believe like it was like a bluish green color, and I believe that was like $9.99, but majority of their hair paint wax is like $6.99 or $9.99. So yeah, that's good. It's temporary. Like if I wash this out of my hair, it's gonna rise straight out. So yeah, this is good if you don't want to do something permanent, but you want to try color. They have like gold, yellow, silver, red, orange. They got all those different colors. So yeah, that's good. I just wanted to try something out, bring new content to my channel. This hair paint wax do transfer. Like I got a little bit of purple on my collar. So be mindful of what you wear, because it ain't focusing. But y'all see that purple? If you gonna use this hair paint wax, wear something dark, because it transfers even though it's fully dry. But yeah, you guys, so if you like this product, this hair paint wax, they have a website. I think it's hairpaintwax.com. If not, I'll put it in the little description box. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.